Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, partnered with sunglass company Ray-Ban to create smart glasses. They revealed their next generation model during Meta Connect 2023 and started shipping them out on October 17th. Thanks to the influence of 𝐍𝐎𝐓𝐄𝐒 and VR with Jasmine, I got a pair of the transition lens version for myself and was able to check out the specs and details on these new smart glasses to give you an overview on what they can do and my opinions on whether or not they seem worth the price tag. The Meta Ray-Ban glasses are redesigned from the first generation of Ray-Ban stories. The key updates include improved audio quality, a better camera for capturing photos and videos, faster performance with a new processor, and a lighter, slimmer frame design. They also now have the ability to live stream directly from the glasses to Facebook and Instagram. Meta has also integrated their AI assistant, which you can access just by saying, "Hey Meta" or "Okay Meta." While packed with camera, audio, and video command capabilities, it's important to note that the Meta smart glasses are not augmented reality glasses. The lenses do not serve as a display screen. Rather, this is eyewear with built-in tech to enhance your real-world experience, not provide a digital overlay. Let's dive into the key features and capabilities of the next generation Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses announced at Meta Connect. First up, audio quality. Meta says they have completely redesigned the speakers to provide better bass, volume, and directional audio. This should improve music, calls, and recording videos in noisy environments. The camera is also upgraded. It now has a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. This allows for higher resolution photos and 1080p videos up to 60 seconds long. You'll be able to capture your point of view hands-free. In terms of performance, the glasses are powered by a new Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which enables faster photo processing and a smoother experience overall. The frame design has been slimmed down too. The glasses are lighter and have a more universal nose fit for comfort, and they are also now water resistant. One really unique feature is the ability to live stream directly from the glasses to Facebook or Instagram. You can hear comments from your viewers from your glasses speakers and engage with them real time. And for the first time, Meta's AI assistant technology is integrated. By saying, "Hey Meta," you can access the assistant to get information, control the glasses, and more. When it comes to style, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses come in both the iconic Wayfarer silhouette as well as a retro round headliner shape. You can choose from classic black or 3 new transparent color frames. And with prescription lens options, you can customize these smart glasses to your fit, fashion, and function. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses also comes with a really neat charging case which provides safe storage for the glasses when not in use, but also charges them when on the go, holding up to 3 additional full charges for a total extended battery life of around 36 hours. The case uses USB-C charging and can provide a 50% charge in just around 15 minutes. The charge shows the status of both itself and the glasses on the outside LEDs. Having this fast charging case helps overcome the limitations of the battery built into the glasses themselves and really enables all-day use. The Meta Smart Glasses connect via Bluetooth and are controlled through the touchpad on the right side of the frame or through a button on the top right. You can tap once to take a photo or hold and record a video up to 60 seconds. When taking a photo, you'll hear a click in the headset letting you know it captured. A light on the outside of the glasses indicates you are recording to others around you, and an LED inside the glasses stays lit when recording and blinks when it's close to stopping. You can adjust the brightness of the inside LED through the app, but you cannot change the brightness of the outside light. In fact, if you even try to cover the light, you'll get scolded and the glasses tell you to remove the cover in order to be able to take photos or record. My plan with initial testings for these glasses was to take it through some haunted houses, and I was worried that the light would be way too bright and annoying at night with all these spooky theme parks, but to be honest, no one seemed to notice or care or really seem bothered. It's also important to know that the glasses only record in portrait orientation, no landscape mode. To view and manage captures, use the MetaView app. It shows photos and videos chronologically. Media automatically saves to your phone gallery when imported, although I do wish there was a setting to manually pick which ones you actually wanted to save to your phone. When done for the day, new media uploads to the app when the glasses are put in the charging case. To live stream, connect your Facebook or Instagram account to the app. Once ready, you can connect your glasses and switch between glasses and phone camera views during the stream. The glasses are supposed to notify you of new viewers, comments, and reactions through audio alerts. However, during my tests, It struggled to accurately detect engagement, often reporting 0 views and comments even when active. The readouts weren't perfect, but the capabilities show promise as a first iteration. The app also controls other features like Meta's AI assistant. Access it hands-free by saying, "Hey Meta," or if you find that extremely cringy like I do, you can instead hold the touchpad to activate. You can take photos, get information, and more with voice commands. You can connect it to your phone, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp specifically. My use cases for it so far have been minimal. I've been using it to practice my Spanish and check up on the weather. I don't like using voice commands when in public, but that's the only time that I really use these glasses. After testing the glasses, I have some mixed thoughts. The overall photo and video quality is decent for casual use. The glasses do make capturing easy, whether you're using the button on the top or voice controls. I like the internal audio and visual cues indicating when media is being captured. However, the camera really struggles in low light and is probably best for daytime or bright light use. And the wide-angle lens can cause a slight fisheye effect. Personally, I don't mind this that much, and it actually made some of my photos appear deliciously creepy, but I know this might annoy some people, so I figured it'd be worth mentioning. The directional speakers provide surprisingly good audio playback, making you feel immersed when rewatching videos. But in noisy public settings, I sometimes struggle to hear music and voice commands clearly. Volume is fine when you're alone in quiet areas. The companion app is well designed overall. Audio importing media is convenient and the AI montages are fun to use. But I do wish that deleting media in the app removed it from my phone storage too. Many times I had to delete photos and videos twice. Having the glasses case also serve as a charging dock or battery bank for the glasses is genius, especially considering battery life for the glasses is pretty low if you plan on doing a lot of recording. However, there are some negatives that I noticed during use. The touchpad controls can be a bit finicky at times, particularly with Spotify. Despite having autoplay disabled, there were many instances where Spotify just started playing randomly and it got so bad that I eventually just uninstalled Spotify. There's also a slight lag when it comes to taking a photo with the glasses. It can be a bit tricky to frame shots perfectly from the left eye perspective because remember, the camera isn't perfectly in the middle of your face. It's actually on the top left frame of the glasses, or I guess my left. While promising, the Meta Smart glasses still have some kinks to smooth out, but I'm excited to see where the technology goes in the future. Overall, I've really enjoyed testing out the new Meta Smart glasses, and I plan on bringing them to every trip I go on from here on out. They make capturing life's moments incredibly easy and hands-free. I love that I can be fully present instead of constantly pulling out my phone. While not built for professional-grade photos or videos, the quality's pretty good for capturing memories on the go. Features like the AI assistant and live streaming integration shows a lot of potential. I do hope Meta continues improving them over time. I don't know if it'd be possible based on the camera lens itself, but the addition of landscape recording mode would be great. Expanding live stream platform options beyond Facebook and Instagram would also make them even more versatile. But even as is, the convenience and seamless experience of the Meta Smart glasses makes them a compelling product for those looking to enhance their reality, not replace it. I look forward to seeing how Meta built upon this solid first generation. That's it for this review. As always, keep on creating and never lose that drive to improve. I'll see you on the next one.